Hi, this is Miss CHEN-TSO. I have exciting or probably awful news for everyone. From this week, we are going to start our sight words routine and our phonics routine. That means you will have more homework every single day. Yay! So I'm going to show you how our routine looks like, and I'm going to show you in 5 separate videos because there are 5 days, 5 school days in a week, and no matter rain or shine, no matter you have English class that day or you do not have English class that day, no matter it is a holiday or it's a school day, you have to follow this routine and I will check your work. So let's take a look at each day, what it will look like. And I'm going to send all the routine materials to you so you can always take a look. So this video will talk about Monday, and I call Monday a max out Monday because Monday is the first weekday of the week, and that's gonna be a day that you do the max work so that you will feel lighter for the rest of the days. So I'm going to show you where we can find our sight words and where we can find our phonics part. So let's talk about sight words. First of all, to do this routine, you will need a notebook. And every day you need to prepare a page with a heading with your name, class, and date for this routine. Okay, so all your sight words work will be on this page. Where can we find our sight words? In our Wonders student account portal, you will find a button called Words to Know. When you click that, you will see a bunch of words, right? The words on the left column is not our sight words. They're not our sight words. They are the words that it's good to know. If you are really, really good at sight words and you want to challenge yourself and learn more, you can click on each word on the left so that you can learn more about the words. The more words, the better, right? But for all of us, we are going to focus on the right column. Every week for now, we have 4 sight words, and these words will change every 2 weeks when we change our topics. If you see that on a Monday, the words list do not change, that means you are going to continue doing the same. So for example, in this week, we are learning about 4 sight words: does, not, school, and what. And when you look at each word, you can see a sample sentence, you can hear the word, and you will see how the routine looks like. We need to read it, spell it, and write it. You've seen that in Google Classroom before. However, to do our routine, we need to use our new rules. Max out Monday for sight words. What do you need to do? You need to roll a dice to determine how many times you write all your sight words. So Monday for sight words, it depends on your luck. What if you say, I do not have a dice at home? How can I roll a die? Right? So here is our best friend Google that can help us. So you can go to Google and you're going to put in search roll a dice or roll dice. And then you click enter or you click search. And then Google will give us a dice. And look, I got 6. So do not try to roll again because you are going to try to find 1, right? Because you only want to write about the words once. But the first search that you got from the dice is the times that you are going to write your words. Okay? Sometimes when you roll again, it will give you a different number, but I don't want you to do that because I don't want you to try to find 1. Okay, so I rolled 6 just now. I'm not lucky. I rolled the biggest number. That means I have to write each word 6 times. So let's take a look. What is our words that week? Let's go back to, oops, where is my, okay, right there. So I have does, not, school, and what. And I'm going to write each word 6 times on my notebook. I can skip a line and start writing. Here's my first sight word. Does, does, does. And if I don't have enough space for the next word, I can go to the next line. Does, does, does. Yay, done. And then my next word is not. Not, 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 not. Done. So in this case, I'm going to continue writing the next 2 words, right? School and what. So let me start. Don't feel bored of doing it because this is also a good way for you to practice your handwriting. Do not use your typing on your computer or iPad, and try to use your handwriting because we can never forget about how to write a word. What? Okay, so that means my Monday's sight word work is done. See? It doesn't take long, right? Now, let's take a look at the phonics work on Monday. On Monday's phonics, you don't need to do it on a notebook, but let me show you. Maxout Monday, what do we do for sight words? Separate beginning, middle, end sounds in a word. Tap the sounds. So for example, the word sick, and you hear 3 sounds. S, I, k. So you gotta use your fingers to tap the sounds just like how we do it in class, and you will have a word list. The word list will be in your to-do list. Okay, I'm not going to show you the to-do list now because that to-do list is empty, but here is a sample list that you might get. So there are, let's see, 6 times 24 words in here. So you are going to tap each word out using your mouse. You're not going to write it down, so don't worry about it. But you have a lot of tapping sounds and you have a lot of work. So let's do it together. Can, k, can, at. So this word has only 2 sounds. It only has a beginning sound and an ending sound. The next word, nat, at. The next word, sat, at. The next word, Sam, am. Next word, Pam, am. The next word, has, as. Next word, ran, an. Next word, dad, add. The next word, mad, add. The next word, ham, am. And next, hat, at. And next, the next 2 rows all have the words with S. So it can be a thing adding an S, making it 2 or more, right? Or it can be an action that adds an S. That means somebody else do it. A third person does it, not you or me. So let's try it. The word here is pat, right? So adding S, it will be pats. The S only will affect the ending sound. It doesn't matter your beginning and middle sound. So don't be afraid of the S. Don't think that this word you don't know about it. You can cover the S first and see, oh, I know this word. The word is at. Okay, when T and S are together, it's ts, okay? So it's like Chinese sound, ts, ts, right? C for ts. So let's try again. At. Okay. Next, we have tap, the word tap. So beginning, middle, end. App. Adding S, taps. Apps. Taps. Next word, TS again. So let's try. Bats. Bats. And next word, if I cover the S, you know this word. This is our school bag. Ag. So adding S, bags. Next word is fans. Fans. And next word, wags. Wags. And going to next row, last row, jab. Jabs. Next word, jam. Jams. Next word, apps. Naps. And continue, ag. Tags. Ag. Sags. Axe. Packs. Wonderful. So you see, if you are working with me and if you think you're stuck, you can try it again. That's why it's called Max Out Monday. You will have the most work on that day and keep practicing, and for the later days, it will get quicker and quicker. So here is our Max Out Monday. Check our next video for Tuesday.